Some bikes just need certain things. A bike like this needs something like that. I know there are alternatives. But how's the Tiger faring? How's it showing up for furry metal, peeling paint, anything like that? Let's have a look. Poor old Tiger. I don't wash this bike very often. It probably gets washed 3 times a year, possibly 4. And that's about it. I'm not too bothered about having a sparkly bike, or sparkly clean bike. That might change with the old Honda there. I don't think I'll have the choice on that one. But how's the Honda? How's the Triumph? How's the Tiger holding out? Well, if I go around all the usual places, the bolt heads are all in great condition. Engine-wise, same thing. I haven't got a furry bolt anywhere, and I haven't been using ACF 50 or FS3C or FS365 on this bike, so I can't find anywhere that's suffering. Drive shafts in great condition underneath as well. Brake calipers all looking clean. All the bolts, I've just washed the bike, so that's a little bit wet, that one. Nothing's furred up. It's all clean down here, all in good nick. Look, you can see I'm not one for cleaning this thing properly. So everything in good nick. These spokes, they're black painted spokes, so when you do clean the bike, they kind of come back up quite easily if you wet them. So they come back up. The paint on them is great, actually. It's all stayed brilliant because you can just run a brush over those spokes that easy as you rotate the wheel, and you can have those spokes clean in 2 or 3 minutes if you want. But yeah, I don't usually bother that much with the spokes. But what I will say, these black painted spokes, or dipped or anodized, I don't know what, well, probably not anodized, I don't know how they're coated, but they're holding up really well. What else have we got? Yeah, any of the crash bars, luggage racks, holding up well. Any metal, exposed metal that is metal, anything not painted is holding up well as well. Okay, this bike is garage. It's not in a heated garage. It doesn't live outside, but the bike does get used all year round. I don't mind riding in the wet. I don't mind riding in the winter. In fact, I put some FS365 on this for the first time in about 2 years. So this bike hasn't been treated, I'm going to say hasn't been treated with anything really in the 3 years I've owned it. Probably 2 coatings of FS365, which is a kind of water-soluble coating which washes off in the rain. So, you know, I can't really say it's been protected in the way that it's supposed to have been. But what I will say, underneath the engine, there's nowhere, I can't find a single furried up nut even on the bike. Oh, I've just spotted something out the corner of my eye. Not just then, obviously, about a couple of minutes ago. I was just being dramatic. Here. Look now, yeah, we're talking warranty claims. It's not even a fork, it's a little bracket here. That's it. 3 years, 30,000 kilometers. As you can see, I've never once cleaned the downpipes. So, if you're thinking, what's it like to keep a Generation 3, that's 2018 onwards, Triumph Tiger, 1200, clean, or rust-free, it doesn't take any effort whatsoever, because I've put none in. I put none in whatsoever. I don't look, even the guys at Triumph, when I put my bike in for a service once, said, geez, Tez, you can clean it once in a while. So, but the paintwork's held up really well. There's not a sign, not a single sign, not the tiniest little rust mark anywhere on this bike. And it's just because so much of the surface is painted. Guess who's going to be needing a little bit more attention? Yes, I think so. Well, I'll tell you how much effort it takes to keep this bike corrosion free. I'll tell you now. 0. Nothing to it. If you're thinking of buying a Triumph Tiger second hand, if you find one, it should be spotless. It takes no maintenance to keep this thing corrosion free. All the surfaces are painted, the fasteners have been chosen well. Some chemist has advised the Triumph guys what to use, and they've made the perfect choice of everything. There's not the slightest bit of corrosion on any metal part of this bike.
We're not wet at all, are we, Brian? It's a lovely day, isn't it? Where the fuck did all these cars come from?